It's the Loch Ness Monster. Well, dudes, sometimes you gotta get away. Today, new adventure. Jess and I went kayaking. We just got on the water. We're going kayaking. I think the last time I was on this river, we were racing like on the ice, frozen in the winter. But guys, sometimes you gotta force yourself to take a break, even if it's against your will. Not against your will, but I'll get to that in a minute. There is something peaceful about being on the water. When I say before, like against my will, it's not that I don't want to be out here, it's just that there's part of my mind that thinks that I should be in the garage working all the time, always progressing, always moving forward. And it's hard for me to like take a step back and say, you know what, dude, you're on vacation, chill out. And she works just as hard as I do, and we don't really get a lot of time like this. So I think it's really important to enjoy time like this. I shouldn't even be talking to this camera the whole time. You're gonna tie yourself to the tree?
Oh, shit.
Oh, okay. I'm planted in the back, so because my fat ass is pushing this thing 3 feet down, and I'm planted in the dirt. So we're gonna stop for lunch. Enjoy the moment. It's because you're light and tiny and petite, and we're gonna eat lunch. So I'm gonna gain weight and not be able to leave from this spot. I'm gonna dip. Oh, sandwich. So we found a nice little spot. Got some shade on the nice calm river. It's kind of cool to know this is sort of like in our backyard kind of deal, right? Like we didn't have to go far to enjoy this. That's pretty nice. It was only 35 bucks, 30 bucks to rent this little thing that I'm sinking. So I think maybe I should just splurge and buy a good one. Like get into this more, but it is fun. It's a good workout. It's in the wilderness. I love the water, so it's definitely a nice getaway. And it's something that we can do together since we're always working otherwise. It gets crazy. If my last GoPro didn't fall off the car, I could have put it in the suction mount right there. That's what she does all the time. That's what she does. You enjoy it? Me too. So that was fun, but we're done now. We're tired. She figures we went about 8 kilometers. That's kind of cool. It's my second time doing this, so she'll lead the way on this one. We did good. They say this river's like super polluted and gross and stuff, but it didn't really stink or anything, and it was all right. It was actually really beautiful. Okay, couldn't do it. Back in the garage. Gonna try to make some magic. As you can tell, it's built to get sideways.